guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title today, I am doing a nighttime skincare routine when you really just don't have it in you. You might not have it in you for a couple reasons. Them kids, maybe it was a long work day, but in my case, it's that time of the month. And it's one of those days where it's giving, do you know you have 30 minutes? 30, yes. I feel like that's one of the reasons people be skipping skincare sometimes, because when it is like the full extensive 10-step routine, it can take a little minute. Now mind you, I like that. It's a little like pampering moment to yourself, right? But we all know there are just those days you ain't got it. So we're gonna try to keep this to 10 minutes or less. Now, because today's video is sponsored by Banish, I am going to go ahead and start the process of sterilizing my Banisher. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my face while that is doing what it needs to do. One of the reasons why I love micro needling night, because the skincare routine is already simple. On those nights, I'm telling you, it's very much so 3 products, maybe 4. We're going to find out. But I'm going to wash my face. Okay, y'all are no stranger to Banish at this point, but if this is your first video of mine that you are seeing, this is my Banisher 3.0, and this is how I do micro needling at home. I've always seen it when I go to spas and I get facial, stuff like that. This is your ability to do it at home and save yourself some money while you do it. So as you can see, after you sterilize your Banisher, you just go in this same motion, applying just a little teeniest bit of pressure all over your face. Make sure you avoid any active breakouts that you might have. And I've also noticed that as I continue doing this, I don't really feel it as much as I did when I first started. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, the pain is probably like a 1. Even when I started, it was a 1, but you just continue doing this, and this is your easy way of at home targeting any texture or acne scars, anything like that, so you can just have flawless chef kiss skin. And then once you do that, you just finish it up with their vitamin C serum, and this is me finishing my entire night care routine for the entire night, and I was able to keep it like 10 minutes. And yeah, that is what my face looks like after micro needling night and when the skincare routine is very simple. So I'm gonna go to bed, and then I will wake up and show you what my face looks like after that. And at least I can say I'm going to bed not looking how I'm feeling. All right, y'all, I just woke up. This is what my face looks like the next morning. Very still hydrated, very much so need that vitamin C, because if you think about it, I literally only put on the vitamin C and a little spray. I don't know if y'all have seen it, people be like, baby, don't show me the skincare routine right after you finish doing it. Of course your skin is gonna look hydrated. Of course it's going to look wet. You just put a whole bunch of product on. Show me what it looks like the next morning. Yeah. Okay, so I washed my face. That's what it looks like after. If you're wondering, still don't have the energy. So what is my skincare routine the morning after when I just can't? Some sunscreen, and we're done. That is quite literally all the energy that I have. So that is it for this video. I know a lot of people can relate, because some days it's just not there. So that is what I do. Let me know in the comments down below what you do when you're not feeling it. And you know what, some days it's okay to just skip that day. Your skin will be fine that one day, but don't make it a habit. All right, so that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.